we're back.
Still catching up. Right. I'm giving them the knife.
Are you in your own world or are you in my world?
You might want to change. I'm in your world. I'm right next to you.
So normally your name is in blue, but it's not this time. It's weird.
No, it's because we're not in a party. That's all. If you go party social, if I click on your name and then go invite, there you go, and then it's in blue. I've just you might want to change Lewis's. He obviously didn't save the swapping. Or was that the hammer? I just looked at the axe from here. I've just put the knife in where what's called hand.
There you go. He's standing there. It's like a lieutenant in the army. I mean, I am an ex-officer, so.
Yeah. So your character is an ex-officer. Right. Let's look at the map and let's me remove. Oh, all my markers are removed. It's just yours are on the screen. So.
Right. Let's see if I can get these markers to.
Well, I think so. Actually, saying that. Oh yeah. There you go. Yeah. So you just tap on them once and they'll go.
Oh, those. Everywhere we'd been and taken out is back up and not taken out anymore. So we need to go back and. Right. Let's go this way again.
Yeah, the only one seems showing complete at the moment is just that. Right, that's cool.
Basically, I hadn't saved anything we've done today. Hello?
Hello, you right?
Here he is. Oh, I say
Well,
actually.
I'm not going to kill the baby pig. No, we just had a weird server crash thing.
Our own 30k.
Fuck off, piggy. I didn't kill your baby.
Wow. Let's see. I've just seen the other piggy.
Oh, what now, wolves? Living hell. Lewis, do your job. Oh, you're in our game, Tom.
Am I?
It took us ages to work out that the vendor's name is Tom.
Damn it! He's
ripping us off
he's a trainer.
in a whole new game.
He found a way.
Of course.
Maybe that's his pirate ship that's crashed on the island. going by your pirate theme.
Where you get this idea that I'm a pirate?
It's the fact that you run around killing people and robbing things, Tom. I think it's the general idea that we get that for.
Alright, as a little clue, just a little clue. Let's just focus it about a few weeks ago when you sent a picture that you acquired someone's 400i.
Right, that was not an act of piracy. There was a door open, and
not piracy. The door's
it's not piracy. You left the door open. Technically, it's so passive rehoming.
Yeah, passive.
Yeah.
Is there such a word as passive piracy? Maybe could you use that instead?
Nope. But as your family's back.
Here they are. Hey, where's the pig? Ring. Come on. They look so happy. Oh, and the wolves have come to play. Right,
Oh, bloody wolves.
Yeah, hey, I've got the hail infusion back again.
So, I've had to do the most jank thing that I want to do to get this game to play in a resolution that doesn't kill my FPS.
Okay.
I've had to change the monitor because it auto detects resolution. You can't change it.
Yeah.
I have had to put my monitor in 1080p. So I've got these thick, horrible borders down the side of my widescreen monitor.
Ah, nice.
So I can play the game with an FPS that doesn't make me want to vomit.
Excellent.
Yeah, because at the moment it's the same like most of the other games recently, where it's just where you've only got borderless or window borderless. Basically, so window. Yeah, was it windowed or window borderless? which is normally what the console games do. I want to get my umbrella up with the parachute.
Nearly forgot to activate my parachute then.
I keep breaking my legs.
I broke my legs 3 times last night. I was getting annoyed.
Oh. I was a bit risky with that. Oh, here's an idea. Come on, let's see if there's any fishies.
Is the idea you're going to pull your weight for a change?
Motherfucker. Rainbow trout. Oh, look, I found you in here. Trout. Rainbow trout.
It's so funny.
It's so funny. Come on. Really?
Oh. Next lot of your family's here.
They're over there again, are they? Damn them.
Come on, Lewis. Come on, headbutt him.
Use that fancy axe of his, hammer of his.
Oh, now the walls
Come on,
have come
down.
into play. What?
we were moaning the other day. As I said, the wild animals weren't appearing as much. Come on.
They're not that dangerous, though, are they? I think the walls could be worse.
Yeah, I suppose so. That's the difficulty. Right, let's go. Run! Well, we need to kill those because they seem to drop the tier 1.
I think I don't agree with the fact that these basic weapons we have for chopping down trees and that can easily dispatch enemies. They're like, I'm just bludgeoning them.
They must be. Well, there's got to be something we got to make to do the like making weapons because obviously we know there's guns.
Well, we don't.
Well,
Well, we
surely
assume
we've
there's
got
guns.
Well, going by the pictures, yeah. What we got over here? What's this one going to give us this time round? Bellows. That's a different one. I didn't get that one last time round.
Right. Follow the.
The only thing I've had consistent was the. Oh, here's a wolf again. Come on, have it. Yeah, I need to know if the that one stopped one of them.
This is I've kind of half fallen foul to the fact that I don't read much about games before I play them these days, because I don't remember anything I saw about this saying it was mainly survival game.
Yeah. Said survival game. They did say it was.
Yeah, I don't mind. I didn't think it was. It is a survival game with some maybe other elements in it.
It's not. Yeah, it's not like like the heavy survival thing games. It's basically again a lot of them are using like with what Valheim does. So like the food and things in the game will basically like again can increase your health bar a bit more. Give you that extra. So it's not heavily down like, oh, I'm thirsty, oh, I'm hungry,
Yeah.
sort of thing.
Yeah, no, it doesn't manage food that way. It's a little bit softer in that sense, but
Yeah.
I genuinely thought it
like
was going to be more like a story driven than it is.
Right.
Whoa.
Fucking deer in here.
I know that came right flying around the
one.
corner. Then I thought I was running away. Yeah, I just saw that one run.
Oh shit, the stamina's down.
Yeah. That's amazing. Here, I can get around. Here we go.
Did you just take the wall out, or was that Lewis?
I think maybe he took the wall out. Oh, I see. It's one of these. Oh, okay, that was hidden in England this time around. Oh shit! It's not one of those ones, is it? We got to find the symbols. We were saying because we noticed as well in this one as well. If you're in whatever thing together, the server itself, like, it seems that you get you're not always guaranteed getting the same like unlockable things, blueprints or.
It's very random, yeah.
Okay.
Oh crap. Okay, this is going to be a secret, isn't it? There's another one over here.
Bad guys.
Come in. Oh, okay, that's one of them.
Brain them. Right, there's one of the triangle things there.
Alright, I can see there's two over this way. There was one in that room and there was one in that room. Next to each of it. Right, that one goes and then there was one over here that lit up, but I don't know when. When did that one?
There's another wall here that needs to be. Here you go, here's the last one.
No, there's you've got these two in here. You got that one, and then I'm gonna break this wall down so you can see this one actually, so we know. Oh, I'll keep using the wrong bloody tool here. I didn't realise.
We've got two in the right order. Where's the other one?
Right, so there's that one there. There's one over here, right behind this wall. Do I just push this button?
Oh, press it. It might not be the right one. No, we're the right one.
No, it's gone red. It's gone red. It's gone red. That puts a lot of these enemies in. There's not much room.
Oh, straight to the brain pan.
Right.
Oh, there's another wall here.
What happens here then? Right. Let me just repair these. Right.
That was the first one. That was the second one. There's got to be another one. There's another wall here. No, it wasn't that one. Bad guys inbound.
Right. Oh no. What is it now? Like a spot we can actually get a pie and see where the order is.
Alright, let's try this again.
Hang on, I'm gonna go see if we can. Oh no, I can't get it there.
You were first.
Hang on.
You're second. It wasn't you next. There's got to be another one somewhere.
So there was that one behind the wall that I tried to use, and that one went wrong.
We've got two.
There's one up here. How am I going to get up there? Do I have to build something to get up there? Maybe I could put down a ramp, I guess.
Over where?
We are getting loads of stone around here, aren't we? There's one up here, mate. Guidebook. Let's see if I can place a. Can we place these? No, not that. Because that's not what I want. How about you? Can we place that?
How do you make? I
right,
can't remember how to make the pick. The axes work. The diamond axes.
Oh, I didn't think about. Yeah, I think you got to press the button to like either double tap it.
Oh, ran out of stamina.
All those. I'm hoping we can get those stones on here, but is that? we got any? I thought I picked up those stones. Did we? Have you picked up those big old blocks?
I haven't picked up anything, I don't.
Yeah, there's two out of three. We need. Have they done it? So we see if we picked up any.
No, can't
Aha!
climb up
This is
there.
a godsend. Guess what? Here you go. Now try.
No,
I'll give them the rocks back because I can't run all that.
no.
Right. Okay. So. So this. Well, we're gonna push. See what happens.
No.
Oh, it's gone red. So we know the first two.
There's another one there. I can see another one. How the hell are you getting to that?
Well, I just...
Look up there. It's there.
Oh, I see. Right. Okay. So let's see how many more. Mate, he's got loads of blocks on him. So
How the hell are you getting to
I'm
that?
gonna build some stairs. I'm gonna build some stairs to it.
Right, let's first the ones we know. That one.
Right,
Then that one.
All right. Hey, this is just a sheer guess of this, but
No.
you can shoot them. You can shoot them.
Yeah, but you shot the wrong one.
I know. I thought it was going to be the right one.
But wait, it's ones we've all done before.
I was trying to find out which one the third one hasn't been done.
Yeah, but you shot one that we found before and tried before.
No, I shot this one up here, the one that you pointed out.
That's not the one I pointed out. It's the one up here I pointed out.
I thought that was the one you pointed out.
No, because you don't listen, Butters.
It's not VR, you're not pointing out properly, are you? Right, you've done that one. You've done the other one.
Right, so that's number 3. Now we have to work out number 4.
Right, so there's one behind the wall over there and there's one up there.
Right, it's not that one.
Right. I think there's more than we dotted around than there is actually.
Right, let's try this again.
Right, yeah, so...
1, 2.
Then there's one up here, wasn't it?
3. We're
Right,
going to
so
try that one you
you've got
found
one.
behind the wall.
I think we did that one.
No, we
Give it a
haven't.
go, ready?
Yeah. No, it's not that
There
one
you go.
then.
I wonder if it's that one where I built those stairs after the other one you've done.
Yeah, you can hit that from here, to be fair, so...
Yeah, yeah.
Right, let's try this again.
Right.
1,
I'll get the
2, 3.
right, so we're gonna try that one over the other side.
It's not that one either.
No?
So what is it then? There's got to be another one then.
There's got some trick ones here, isn't it? Right. So, similar. Right, that one just sparked, that one just came up. Then it was... The hell?
What? What? That was... I'm so confused.
I don't know, I didn't touch anything. I just saw the other ones go off.
Right, so it's this one first,
Repair that.
then it's
Right,
this
that
one,
first. Then it was that one. Then it's this one up here.
Right, now we just got to work out what
Right,
the next one is.
Well, I swear, blood, we just tried all those three. There must be another one somewhere. Because that one didn't work. And that one up there didn't work, and that one behind the wall. So... where's this other one then?
We've tried the one up there, we've tried this one here, and we've tried the one down there, so... That goes in
Oh, there's one in here. I found another one. I wonder if that's because the timer ran out.
No, it's because I
I
pressed
think I found maybe the other one. Yeah, because there's this. I saw that one. I didn't know
Let's
this.
try the order again.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
And then there's this one out.
You try the one you just found.
This one. Yeah, this one. Ready? I've hit it. Yeah, it's gone blue.
Right.
So I'm down to the other two now, isn't it? Right. So do we do one behind the wall or one of these in the air?
Oh, what do you think?
I think we should shoot that one up here.
Well, it's not that one.
No, it's very red. Not that one. At least you're getting some T1 essence out of it, I guess.
You're getting bloody tired, I know that.
Yeah. Oh shit, yeah, my character's not what I might have to build resting place.
Right, let's try this again. We know it's not that one up there, so...
Yeah. Right, you shoot that other one. And then I hit. Have you done the third one, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, so I hit that one. Right, so we got the one that's behind the wall, and you got that one that's up there.
Ah,
Hey.
that is that one. Now,
Right,
the
so-
one behind the wall.
Yeah, you know what? Let's give that a shot. Ready? I missed it. There,
Yeah.
it's blue, and then it's got to be that one up there then, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Back up for that. It's just making the video doing its opening. Oh my god, we solved it!
6 hours later.
After about 2 hours. I've got a thin veil card out of that one. Christ, that was
Something to
hard.
do with a trout. Something to do with a trout. Oh,
Trout.
right, well.
Christ. Let's see. Hang on.
I
How
need
this
to
time
repair some stuff.
Oh yeah, I picked up 70. I've got 73 of the T1 in total.
I picked up 106.
Nice.
Alright,
So
I'm
we can upgrade
gonna
some of the gear.
stop this video here now. Oof. Well, what fun that was.
Oh.